Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Let's talk about M language. Okay. First, what is M language? M is a powerful language behind the scene of Power Query. Any transformation you apply will be written in M language. Many of them think that M language is a scary or a hard language. In this session, I want to explain you basic of M language, how the M language syntax is structured without mentioning any functions. Once if you understand that the syntax, you can understand everything in very quick and simple manner. As a Power Query developer, I recommended you to spend time on M language because there are many operations that you can do with M language. Next, what is M? M is a informal name of Power Query formula language. The formal name is so long that no one uses that. Everyone call it M. M stands for Data Mashup. Some say stands for Data Modeling. M is a functional language, and it is important to know functions of it. Generally, each language has structure and syntax, which is the beginner level of learning that language. Okay. Next, syntax of M. Syntax of M. This language is simple. It always as two blocks of programming. Let's explain block and in expression block. Here is the most simple M syntax. Okay. Next, go to Power BI and see this here. Now next click get data and select blank query. See this here, now opened Power Query Editor. Okay, see this here in this place available Advanced Query Editor. Okay, read this. Open the Advanced Query Editing dialog to view or modify entire text for this query. Okay, when I mouse right click this Advanced Query Editor, it's automatically opened query 1 dialog window. Okay, see this here, this is slash and this one is n and source. Okay, now I'm typing 2 plus 2. Okay, when I click done, see this here, it's automatically showing 4. Okay, this is M language basic class. Thank you friends, bye all.